A team of scientists wants changes to reforestation techniques to make habitats more resilient to climate change. They say existing practices rely on ad hoc rules of thumb that lack a firm scientific basis.
Despite laws to stamp out deforestation in Australia, scientists say it's still happening. A new paper shows that forest cover 1.5 times the size of Tasmania has been lost since European settlement.
We've lost about 40% of our forest cover, and of the remaining forest, about 80% has been modified by humans in some way.
Now a team of Adelaide University scientists with Commonwealth funding has begun a reforestation project to make new habitats more resilient to climate change. They say the current practice of sourcing seeds from within a 10-kilometre radius of a restoration site is creating genetic ghettos.
Planting that has very poor levels of genetic diversity, and that doesn't equip that new habitat with the genetic diversity to cope with the uncertainty for the future.
Professor Lowe says humans need to help nature by introducing seeds from warmer and drier climates.
To potentially introduce genes that are going to make them more effective and survive better in the future under climate change situations.
In the Mount Lofty ranges surrounding Adelaide, scientists estimate 90% of vegetation has been lost in the past 200 years, contributing to the loss of more than 130 plant and animal species. They argue the region's natural habitat needs to be doubled to prevent further species loss. Some farmers are concerned prime agricultural land could be a casualty.
One could argue that the fruit might be grown elsewhere, but with food miles being very important and carbon emissions and that sort of thing, I think that growing the product right near the market is a very desirable thing.
Scientists expect the 4-year project's findings will be used to help regenerate forests right around the world. Kim Robertson, ABC News.